Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the MCQ question of the work and energy. The first question: work is said to be done when? Question है work is said to be done when? Option A: force is applied. There is the displacement. Force causes displacement. Object stop. Correct answer will be C. Force causes displacement. Now question number 2. SI unit of work is A. Watt, B. Joule, C. Newton, D. Pascal. Correct answer will be Joule. Question number third. 1 joule is equal to 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton प्रति मीटर 1 Newton गुणे मीटर 1 किग्रा into meter 1 kg प्रति मीटर. The correct answer will be B. 1 Newton into meter. Question number 4. Work done is zero when angle between force and displacement is option A 0, option B 90, option D 60, option D 180. Correct answer will be 90. We can see W is equal to F into S into cos theta, where theta is equal to 90 degree, because cos 90 is equal to 0. Question number 5. Energy is the capacity to rest, move, do work, stop. The correct answer will be C. Do work. SI unit of energy is option A joule, option B watt, option C Newton, option D volt. Correct answer will be SI unit of the energy is joule. Watt is the unit of the power. Newton is the unit of force. Volt is the unit of the potential. So correct answer will be A. Now question number 7. Kinetic energy depends on mass only, velocity only, mass and velocity, height only. Correct answer will be mass and velocity. Question number 8. Formula of the kinetic energy is mg half mv square mv. Option D mg. Correct answer will be B half mv square. तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी P is equal to m into g into h, and kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So option B is correct. The formula of the kinetic energy is K is equal to half mv square. Potential energy of an object at height depend on mass, height, gravity, all of these. Correct answer will be all of the. Question number 10. Formula of the potential energy is half mv square mgh mg mv. Correct answer will be potential energy P is equal to mgh. P is equal to m into g into h equal to mass into gravity into height. Question number 11. When a body falls freely, its potential energy increases, decreases, remains same, becomes zero. Correct answer will be decreases. Option B is correct. Question number 12. The rate of the doing work is called energy, force, power, pressure. Correct answer will be power. P is equal to W upon T. So, power is equal to work upon time. Question number 13. SI unit of power is joule, watt, Newton, volt. Correct answer will be the SI unit of the power is the watt. Question number 14. 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second, 1 Newton per second, 1 kg per second, 1 meter per second. Correct answer will be A. Question number 5. Commercial unit of the electrical energy is option A joule, option B watt, option C kilowatt hour, option D Newton. Correct answer will be kilowatt hour. Question number 16. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, 3600 joule, 1000 joule, 10 to the power 6 joule. Correct answer will be A. 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Question number 17. A stretched rubber band possesses option A kinetic energy, chemical energy, elastic potential energy, heat energy. Correct answer will be C. Elastic potential energy. Question number 18. When work is done against gravity, energy is the stored as option है kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy, sound energy. The correct answer will be potential energy. Question number 19. If velocity of a body doubled, its kinetic energy becomes option A double, four times, half, same. The correct answer will be kinetic energy becomes four times. Question number 20. A body at rest has kinetic energy, potential energy only, no energy, both energies. Correct answer will be potential energy only. So thank you so much, nice. Please like and share and subscribe the video.